Here are the top 5 luxury car brands in the world generally recognized based on brand prestige, performance, design, innovation, and global sales. But before that, please leave a like and hit the subscribe button for more videos. Number 5. Porsche. Known for high-performance sports cars and luxury SUVs, delivers exceptional driving dynamics with luxury and has a fiercely loyal customer base. Number 4. Bentley, known for powerful grand tourers with handcrafted interiors, blends performance with British craftsmanship and exclusivity. Number 3. Rolls-Royce, known for ultra-luxury craftsmanship and exclusivity. Symbol of opulence, handmade details, and elite clientele. Number 2. BMW, known for sporty driving dynamics with luxury appeal and strong brand identity as the ultimate driving machine with a wide model range. Number 1. Mercedes-Benz, known for cutting-edge technology, luxury, and performance. Combines heritage with modern innovation and a vast global footprint.